corpus. People use it all the time. But it's, again, important to remember how restricted the point of view was. We knew each other, we were friends, but one of the main discoveries about Adam and Sarah was that there's a period of what was called telegraphic speech, when the kids don't use function words, just use nouns and adjectives. So I suggested to him, it must have been around 1960, that he do a very simple experiment. And it was pretty obvious how it was going to turn out. Let the kid hear 3 different kinds of materials from his mother. So that his mother will talk to him in English, talk to him in telegraphic speech, and talk to him in telegraphic speech with the function words distributed randomly, and just see which ones he's going to understand. I mean, it wasn't pretty hard to figure out what would happen. But he wouldn't do it, and nobody would do it, because that was interfering with the data. And you can't do that in this field. In this field, you take data and analyze it. In fact, it was a decade before the experiment was finally done by Lila Gleitman and some of her students, and of course it came out the way it's obviously going to come out, which meant something. It meant that when the kid was talking telegraphic speech, that what was going on in its head was a much richer language, and that's since become very important. The general sort of framework was behavioral sciences. The 2 questions were description and control of behavior. The standard text from the late 40s, 1948, when it was B.F. Skinner's William James lectures. 1948 came out about a decade later as verbal behavior. It was kind of